Welcome to Global Street Food Adventure, a Taste Explosion. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the vibrant world of street food. From sizzling woks to aromatic spices, and from bustling markets to hidden alleyways, you'll experience the best street food eats our planet has to offer. Imagine a world of sizzling woks, aromatic spices, and vibrant flavors, all conveniently packed into a single street corner. That's the captivating world of street food, a global phenomenon that transcends borders and cultures. It's a world where culinary traditions are passed down through generations, and every bite tells a story. Join us on a thrilling adventure as we navigate bustling markets and hidden alleyways to uncover the best street food eats our planet has to offer. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Mexico City, street food offers an unfiltered glimpse into the soul of a destination. It's a sensory feast, a symphony of aromas, textures, and tastes that awaken your palate and leave you craving for more. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience, the connection with local vendors, and the stories they share with every serving. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the heart of global cuisine. From steaming bowls of noodles to sizzling skewers of meat, we'll dive deep into the world of street food, exploring its history, its cultural significance, and of course, its mouth-watering flavors. So fasten your seatbelts, grab your forks, and get ready for a taste explosion. Our journey begins now, in the heart of street food paradise, where every bite is an adventure waiting to be savored. From the night markets of Tokyo to the street food stalls of Istanbul, each destination offers a unique culinary experience. Watch as vendors skillfully prepare their dishes, each movement a testament to their expertise and passion. Street food festivals bring together diverse crowds, all united by their love for delicious, authentic eats. The joy of tasting street food is evident in the happy faces of those who savor each bite. So come along, explore with us, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of global street food culture. Section 2, the aromatic allure of Bangkok's boat noodles. Our first stop takes us to the bustling streets of Bangkok, Thailand, where the aroma of simmering broth and fiery chilies fills the air. Here we encounter a beloved street food delicacy known as boat noodles or guai tiu rewa. Served in small, flavorful portions from traditional wooden boats, these noodles are a testament to Thailand's culinary ingenuity. The magic of boat noodles lies in their rich and aromatic broth, a flavorful concoction simmered for hours with a blend of secret spices and herbs. Thin rice noodles form the base, while tender slices of pork, beef, or meatballs provide a hearty protein punch. Topped with fresh herbs like Thai basil and bean sprouts and seasoned with chilies, fish sauce, and sugar, each bowl is a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. The history of boat noodles is as fascinating as their taste. Originally sold by vendors paddling their boats along Bangkok's canals, these noodles were a quick and affordable meal for workers and passers-by. Today, while most vendors operate from shophouse stalls, the tradition of serving these noodles in small portions persists, allowing diners to sample a variety of flavors without breaking the bank. Section 3, Savoring Simplicity, a taste of Japan's takoyaki. Next, our culinary voyage takes us to the land of the rising sun, where we encounter a street food snack that's as visually appealing as it is delicious: takoyaki. These bite-sized balls of joy are a staple street food in Japan, found everywhere from bustling train stations to lively festivals. Takoyaki's charm lies in its simplicity. A savory batter made from flour, eggs, and dashi, a type of Japanese soup stock, is poured into a specially designed pan with hemispherical molds. Small pieces of tender octopus, tempura scraps called tenkasu, pickled ginger, and green onions are then added to the batter, creating a medley of textures and flavors. As the takoyaki balls cook, they are skillfully rotated using chopsticks, resulting in their signature spherical shape and a crispy exterior. Once cooked, they are generously drizzled with savory takoyaki sauce similar to Worcestershire sauce and Japanese mayonnaise. A sprinkle of dried seaweed flakes called aonori and dancing bonito flakes add the finishing touches to this delightful snack. Section 4, Mexico City's culinary canvas, tacos al pastor. Our culinary adventure now takes us to the vibrant streets of Mexico City, where the air is thick with the tantalizing aroma of marinated pork roasting on a vertical spit. Here, we delve into the heart of Mexican street food culture with a dish that's as iconic as it is delicious: tacos al pastor. Tacos al pastor, meaning shepherd-style tacos, are a true testament to Mexico's culinary ingenuity. Thin slices of marinated pork, stacked on a vertical spit known as a trompo, are slowly roasted as they bathe in their own juices. The marinade, a flavorful blend of dried chilies, spices, and often pineapple, infuses the meat with a smoky, tangy, and utterly irresistible flavor. As the meat cooks, it's expertly shaved off the trompo onto small corn tortillas. The tacos are then topped with fresh cilantro, diced onions, a squeeze of lime juice, and a fiery salsa of your choice. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures that will transport you straight to the heart of Mexico City's vibrant street food scene. The combination of sweet, savory, spicy, and tangy is a testament to the complexity and depth of Mexican cuisine. Our final destination takes us to the historic streets of Istanbul, Turkey, where we encounter a culinary icon that's as ubiquitous as it is delicious: simit. These circular loaves of bread encrusted with sesame seeds are a staple street food in Turkey, enjoyed by people from all walks of life. The beauty of simit lies in its simplicity. A simple dough made from flour, water, yeast, and salt is shaped into rings and then dipped into a mixture of molasses and water, before being generously coated in sesame seeds. The rings are then baked to perfection in ovens, resulting in a golden brown crust and a soft, chewy interior. The aroma of freshly baked simit wafting through the air is enough to entice anyone. Its crispy exterior gives way to a soft and chewy interior, with the nutty flavor of sesame seeds adding a delightful crunch. Simit is often enjoyed for breakfast, dipped in Turkish tea, or as a snack throughout the day. No exploration of street food would be complete without hearing from the heart and soul of this culinary world, the vendors. These culinary artisans are the keepers of time-honored recipes, passed down through generations, and their passion for food shines through in every dish they create.
In Bangkok, we meet a fourth-generation boat noodle vendor who shares the secrets of her family's cherished broth recipe. Simmered for hours with a blend of herbs, spices, and pork bones, the broth is a testament to the power of patience and tradition in creating unforgettable flavors. She explains that the small portions are not just economical, but also allow the flavors to concentrate, resulting in a more intense taste.
In Osaka, a takoyaki master reveals the art of achieving the perfect crispy exterior and soft, gooey interior. He explains that the key lies in the precise temperature control and the skillful maneuvering of the takoyaki balls in the special pan. He also shares that the addition of tenkatsu, the tempura scraps, adds a delightful crunch and an extra layer of flavor.
From the bustling markets of Mexico City to the historic streets of Istanbul, every vendor we encounter has a story to tell, a legacy to uphold, and a passion for preserving their culinary traditions. It's this dedication and love for food that makes street food so much more than just a meal. It's an experience that connects us to cultures and communities around the world. One of the most captivating aspects of street food is its ability to introduce us to a world of exotic ingredients. From fragrant herbs and spices to unusual fruits and vegetables, street food vendors are masters at transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. In Southeast Asia, the pungent durian fruit, known for its strong aroma, is transformed into creamy ice creams and sweet, sticky rice treats. In Mexico, the prickly pear cactus, known as nopal, adds a unique texture and a slightly tart flavor to tacos and salads. And in the Middle East, the tangy sumac spice with its vibrant red hue adds a citrusy depth to grilled meats and dips. These exotic ingredients not only add unique flavors and textures to street food dishes, but also offer a glimpse into the diverse culinary traditions of different cultures. They highlight the resourcefulness of street food vendors, who often use locally sourced and seasonal ingredients to create their dishes. So, the next time you're adventurous enough to try something new, remember that you're not just tasting a dish, but experiencing the culinary heritage and creativity of a culture. While nothing compares to experiencing the vibrant atmosphere of a street food market firsthand, you can recreate some of that magic in your own kitchen. Here's a simple recipe that captures the essence of one of our featured street food items: takoyaki, Japanese octopus balls. Ingredients include 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons dashi powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 large egg, 1 cup cold water, ½ cup cooked octopus, cut into small pieces, 1/4 cup pickled ginger, chopped, 1/4 cup green onions chopped, 1/4 cup tenkatsu, tempura scraps, optional, and vegetable oil for cooking. Toppings include takoyaki sauce, Japanese mayonnaise, aonori, dried seaweed flakes, and bonito flakes. Instructions. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, dashi powder, and salt. Make a well in the center and add the egg. Gradually whisk in the cold water until a smooth batter forms. Heat a takoyaki pan over medium heat and lightly grease the molds with vegetable oil. Pour the batter into each mold, filling them almost to the top. Add a few pieces of octopus, pickled ginger, green onions, and tenkatsu, if using, to each mold. Cook for a few minutes until the edges of the takoyaki balls start to set. Using chopsticks or a skewer, carefully turn each ball a quarter turn. Continue cooking, turning occasionally until the takoyaki balls are golden brown and cooked through. Transfer the cooked takoyaki balls to a plate and drizzle generously with takoyaki sauce and Japanese mayonnaise. Sprinkle with aonori and bonito flakes. Serve immediately and enjoy. This recipe is a great way to impress your friends and family with a taste of Japan at home. It's also a fun and interactive dish to make, allowing everyone to get involved in the cooking process. Our global street food adventure has taken us on a sensory journey, from the bustling streets of Bangkok to the vibrant markets of Mexico City. We've explored the history, culture, and culinary traditions behind some of the world's most beloved street food dishes, and we've discovered the exotic ingredients that make them so unique. But more than just a culinary journey, our exploration of street food has been a celebration of the human spirit, the ingenuity, creativity, and passion that goes into creating these culinary masterpieces. It's a reminder that food is more than just sustenance. It's a way of life, a form of expression, and a powerful tool that brings people together. So the next time you have the opportunity to try something new, embrace it with open arms and an adventurous palate. You never know what culinary treasures you might discover. Go beyond the familiar, explore the world of street food, and let your taste buds embark on an unforgettable journey of flavors.